Sorry, ano na uling isip. Pero hindi na. Ramos for 2. High pace, di matador. Marville. What a play! No? Connection. Batang-batang line na po Balloon. Number 5 for 2. Assist 99. Robertson. No. Out of bounds. Overlook. Okay. Time remaining natin is 9 minutes, 24 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. No good. And yes. Coming from out of bounds, Nico Play. Opening ball. All 2 ang ating score, all 2. Quiabo. Diaz. What a play. Diaz for 2. Assist from Julio of the triangle offense. Good play. 4 tayo in favor of Marvin. 8 minutes, 25 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. Santiago with a pull-up J. All 4. Diaz for 3. Assist. Asombrado. 7-4. Marville. 8 minutes remaining. Robertson posting goals. 9-4. Marville. 7 minutes, 40 seconds. Foul number 91. First personal foul. First team foul. Oh. Good. May pacing po tayo and Robertson for 2 assists. Diaz, 11-4. Marville. 6 minutes, 40 seconds remaining. Open up po tayo. Reminder for both teams and 1 timeout each po tayo. Asombrado for 2, 34. Marville, 6 minutes, 30 seconds remaining. Sila, no? Setting hand, so 10 seconds to shoot. Santiago, Zoe. And Berlin ball still. Pandahan. Oh, dalawa. Magkakampi. Marville ball. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Ten seconds. Foul number 5. First personal foul. First team foul. At the line shooting 2, Asombrado. Alala na po, wala po tayong change 5, no? Open sub po tayo. And 1 timeout each. Teams, no? And then, Okay, substitution muna. Since tie up pa tayo. Sub muna. Open sub po tayo, guys. And at the light show you too, somebody. Oh. Symbol. Rebound by Ramos. Ramos hard drive stolen. 5 minutes remaining. And then out of bounds, Bollerwood ball. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Exactly. Alright. And then there's a foul down and then substitution po. Substitution guys. Number 6. First personal foul. Very good foul. Substitution po. Yeah. Alright. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Baseline out of bounds. In and out for number 5. Rebound by number 17. And then all the way Azevedo for 2, assist number 17. 15-4 po tayo in favor of Marvin. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Out of bounds. Substitution. What's the call, ref? Okay, straight ball. Straight ball tayo. 12 seconds to shoot po. 4 minutes, 17 seconds remaining. Alright. 10 seconds to shoot. Asera, no good. Careful guys. 4 minutes. Ramos for 2. 74 in favor of Marvin. 3 minutes, 55 seconds remaining. Let's see if who's the spot for the Bollerwood here. Finds a rebound by number 5. Carving is good. 5 with a putback. 6-17. Marvin, 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Shot clock 15. So 2 short. And 2 with the putback. Alright, 19-6 favor of Marvin. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Number 1. Alright. It's the foul, ref. Foul on number 12. Alright. 40 seconds to shoot. 5 power move. Good. Number 5 for 2. 8-19. 2 minutes 50. Number 5 so far being the interior presence ng Bollerwood. Bollerwood Glory. Juan Asombrado. Oh, scorching that for 3. 22-8 po tayo sa ating score. And 77, there's a foul on number 17. Second free foul, right? Alright, timeout. Marvin. Mandatory timeout. Marvin. Nick.
Laki ng lamang agad eh, no?
No, wala ka nakita ka. Proxy. free throw for number 6. One out of two for 70 seconds so far. Change music tayo. And then, no good. Sornes for 30, rebound by 17. Sobrado. Sobrado! Matik na. Foul number 30, no? 30, okay. At the line shooting 2, Asombrado. Second team foul, first personal foul. First one is good, not out of points in five for the team. Alright. And then the second one is good. Substitution tayo. 2 out of 2 for Dende. Our score is 24-9. Favor po ng Marvin. 2 minutes exactly. Sorry, miss. Oscar no good. Run and gun ng Marvin so far. Nagpipinis nila. Number 2, scoop na yan. No good. Rebound by Bam. Then, next, oh, sorry. Turnover. Number 5, power move again. Wow, what a finish by number 5, 11-24. So for number 5 has been carrying the offense, no? With this power game. While then naman, no good. Good shot, 3. Alright, 1 minute 15. Number 77, what a post of moves, 13-24. Marvin, 1 minute. Going to 1 minute na tayo. 17, Sobrado continues to fire from 3, no? Next is, I believe that's his second 3-pointer of the game. 27-13 tayo. Favor of Marvin. 77 trying to answer, no good. Now number 40 getting a good pass to Bam. Bam, power move by Bam, no ball. Number 14, will fake. Oh. Oh, so it is for number 2. And the basket counts for number 91. No? Number 91, and 1 play. Substitution ref. Ay, oh, sorry, for the free throw. Bonus free throw. Ramos. Ramos no good. 29-13. 24 seconds exactly. Once the shot clock natin is 15 seconds. Oops, careful tayo. Substitution ref. Careful na, careful. We're just sleeping. 29-13 tayo. 17 seconds remaining. Ball game. First quarter, sorry. First quarter. Alright, and then number 6. Sorry guys, for number 6, 10 seconds remaining. So marami po siya ball here. And there's a foul. Offensive foul, I believe, no, for number 5. So 3 seconds remaining tayo, 3 seconds. Then 1. And there you go, almost in. So yun, 29-13. In favor of Marvin for our first quarter. Yeah. Back to the ball game.
Patay.
Gallardo for 3. So the advances first basket and see magtuloy-tuloy ang shooting ni Sir Gallardo. 29-16 tayo in favor of Marvin. 10 seconds to shoot. Sir Billy. Robertson, what a pass to Kuya Pineda. Easy basket. What a play for Marvin. What a pass as well by Robertson. No? One of the best combo guards natin dito sa liga. Gallardo handling the ball. Santiago. Bola na Marvin. Ayun, 31-16 po tayo, ano? In favor of Marvin. Number 17 handling the point so far. Wow, what a play! Wow! Alley play to Roquillo. 33-16 tayo in favor of Marvin. Nagpa-factor rin ng experience ng Marvin, no? Sa ating game so far. By Bollywood. Let's see if we have a goal. May foul tayo, stall ref. Foul number 6, Roquillo. That's two pictures tayo for Santiago. Okay, first one is good for Santiago. Actually, Santiago nga pala, I believe, is our finals MVP at our MVP from the previous season. And then, 1 out of 2 for Santiago. 17 handling the point. So far, he's been doing a great job sa point guard decision natin. Switch to Robertson, to Pineda, corner 3, that's good! Back-to-back basket for Pineda, and the score is 26-17. 8 minutes, 20 seconds. Santiago and the ball. Gallardo, double team. And then substitution tayo, ref. Substitution. Ayan, pinasok ang mga young guns, no? Number 5 and 23. Let's see if magbabago yung flow ng game. Right? Okay, and 17 handling the point. To Billy. Pineda, one dribble pull-up. Short. Number 23 handling the ball. Goes to Cebu, wala. Number 5. Good pass. Oh, what a play! Sorry, miss. For number 5. Oh, lose the full team. Bollywood, 7 minutes 40. Santiago handling the ball. Nice pass to Oscar for 3. Bam! Good shot. 20-36 total. Bollywood, 20-36 Marvin. Bollywood making a mini run, no? Gallardo with his team. Santiago. Free lane to the basket! Ay! So release! Yun lang! So we have a substitution. Substitution tayo. Substitution. Sayang yung layup ni Santiago. Almost changing the monumental of the game. But let's see. Makakabawi ang Bollywood. Ayan. Now Diaz handling the point. Change music. To Robertson. No, what a play! There's a foul! Foul number 6. First personal foul. Second team foul. At the line shooting to number 9, Coronado. Short ang unang free throw ni Coronado. Let's see if may adjustments sa second time. Second try, long naman. 26-20 ang ating score in favor of Marvin. 6 minutes, 50 seconds now. Oscar, once again, he shot 3. Short. Going back to 5. Will stay with Bollywood. Shot clock reset at 14 seconds. Bravo for the ball. Oops, nagaan sa floor, guys. Nagaan sa floor. Oh! Continue. Medyo slippery talaga ang ating floor so far. Dahan-dahan lang. There's 15 seconds on the shot clock. Nice pass to number 6. Ayan. 22-36 tayo. Favor Marvin. Malabas na yung mga young guns ng ating Bollywood. Simula na sa mga connections. Well, Marvin, let's see kung may maintain na yung run. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Stolen. 1-1 tayo. Good hustle play from Diaz. Ronquillo, high post. Tinigig ni Ramos. Ramos, hard drive, no good. And then there's a baseball pass here. Oh! Bola na Bollywood, floating. Our score is 36-22. Marvin pa rin, Marvin. Okay, out of bounds, substitution. 20 seconds shot lang tayo. Paalala lang, may timer po ang parehas na din. Tigisa tayo. 23, handling the ball here. Another connection to six. Back-to-back connection mode. Ganda yung chemistry ng dalawa. 36-24 tayo. Robertson. Ronquillo, entry pass. Fade away, good shot by Ronquillo. Patented fade away, Guerrero. 38-24. Marvin. Soriano, ang pasok na. Santiago, enters off the pass, meron tayong foul. Foul on number 12. First person foul, second. Alright. Nice shot by number 23. 13-26 tayo. So far, Bollywood. May linya lang na Bollywood natin ngayon. 4 minutes sa ating game lang. Diaz tried to answer, no good. Nice rebound by Bam. Let it play. Substitution. Foul on number 22. Third team foul po tayo for Bollywood Glory. First personal foul. Wala yung isa. Oh, 7 days for Robertson. Sa leak out. And then number 5 for the basket. 38-38 ang ating score. Favor of Portland. 3 minutes, 45 seconds to lead. As taking the play pass to Robertson. Cross-court. Oh, another steal by Santiago. Cross-court pass and counter steal naman for Marvin. So nice pass from Azumbrado to Ramos. Good play. 40-26 in favor of Marvin. Yun yung mga veteran plays ni Azumbrado. Capable of scoring and passing as well. The ball is Chicago, no good. Azumbrado, simple tayo. Let's see, no? Kung mananaig na play style. Run and gun or your patient offense. 2 minutes 50. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Diaz pull up 3. In and out. Back to pull back in. Wala. Ronquillo floater. Good. 42-28. Marvin. Not a pull back by Ronquillo. So far, Marvin is dominating yung paint natin, no? Doing a great job on scoring inside. While Bollywood naman sa fast break. Good pass to number 5. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Familiar school. Block by Reagan. Robertson in a fast break. Familiar play. Good. Patented. 1-3. Robertson with the floater. 44-28. Marvin. 2 minutes. Number 22, and Looper, no good. Rebound with number 6. And there's a 3 seconds. Nagka-miscom lang, sayang. And there's a substitution po. 1 minute and 51 seconds remaining on our second quarter. 44-28, Marvin. So far, they've been dominating yung half-court offense, no? In-out offense. Let's see if may adjustment ang Bollywood. Yan, backhand familiar swings. And then ang video again. Lose ang bola. 8 seconds to shoot. Robertson, oh, sorry miss, but Ramos is there. Ramos. 46-28 tayo. 1 minute, 25 seconds. Okay, yung athleticism ng Ramos. Offense and defense ang pinapakita niya. Oh, what a pass! Sorry, miss nga lang. Yung video with the Hassan rebound, ito Sombrado. And ito na, yan, pass break, Marvin, familiar connection yan. Robertson na Sombrado. Okay. And then, Serra, number 5, showing his range, no good. Oops! Sa timeout, Bollywood. And then, 48-20, Marvin. Sa remaining. Abangan ay buka. Alright, so far, ang ating score is 48-28. Marvin has been dominating the boards. And also yung inside presence ng Marvin, kitang-kita natin. While Bollywood, meron sila mga spurts no, na nakakatakbo sila. They've been finishing on the fast break. Let's see kung ano magiging flow. 49 seconds remaining on the second quarter. Bollywood going ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14. Ayan, medyo may pagkaman yung defense ng Marvin. 23, another good pass to number 5. Yun, number 5. So far, siya nag-anchor sa loob. 35 seconds on our game clock. 15 seconds to shoot. Asombrado, hit check. Benyan, Asombrado for 3. Yan ang ating former MVP, no? PF League. 51-30. Gaya, another good pass. Sayang, binalikan niya range. Good. 32-51. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. Sombrado, back to back. No good. 1 second. And that's the end of our first half. Our score is 51-32 in favor of Marvin.
Pogi ba? Pogi ba yan? Sabangan yung unulok. Gusto ka.
Alright, back to the ball game. Sorry, Carl. The muna. Alright. So, really, floater no good. Number 6 to number 5. Number 5. Oh, sorry, sayang. 51-32, Asombrado open again. Short this time. Oh, a 7-7 pushing the ball. Good. Yun, nalabas yung youth ng Bollywood. Running gun style of play. Tingin pa sa set. It's on the shot clock. Here comes Asombrado. Oh, good. Yan, nakatakbo. Alright, time out tayo. Time out! Marvin! Ayan. In favor of Marvin, pero nagkakaroon ng mini-run yung let's see kung anong adjustment ang gagawin ng Marvin, no? When Bollywood, stick sila sa running gun game nila. Natin kung anong adjustment naman, counter-attack na ipapakita ng Marvin. Back to the ball game. Alright. Back to the ball tayo. Ganda yung vibes ng music natin. Awesome. Back to the ball game. Number 12, nice pass to say, oh, good play. Ganda ng ball movement ng Marvin doon. And then there's a foul. Foul on number 6. First personal foul tayo dyan. And first team foul. At the line shooting to Asombrado. Yun yung counter ng Marvin, yung magandang ball movement, patient offense, in and out. First free throws pasok. Let's see, papasok din ang second free throw ni Dente. Second free throw is also good. Perfect from the line. Yeah, 53-36. Ang ating score, high peak. Daya, good pass to Quiapos. Oh, foul. Foul number 2. I believe first personal foul in number 2. First team foul. And at the line shooting to Quabo pala sa first one is no good. Score. Oh, short din. Pangalawang free throw. Number 17, handling the point. Spread offense. Pag-years, spread out the show. Malakas lang yung pasa. Turnover. One ball. Bravo, handling the ball here. He went with the power move again. Oh, sorry, miss for Pablo. Number 2, in the back. Robinson. And there's, oh, Zion. Foul number 23. First personal foul, second team foul. At the line shooting to Endo Robertson. See if she can here. First one is good, and the last free throw. Second free throw. Good as well. 12 of 2. Magandang percentage so far ng Marvin sa free throw. They've been consistent. Number 23. Number 5 is, oh, by number 5, there's a foul. 50-50 ball, no? First personal foul, by number 5. Second foul. Yan, medyo nakaano sila man zone ng ating Marvin. Again, pure man-to-man. And then a counter. Santiago for 3. Di rin get the lucky bounce. Asombrado po sa ball. They have numbers. Ronquillo going with the power. Too strong. 77. Oh, ang ganda rin. Sorry, miss na lang. Santiago, good. Hustle play for Santiago. 38-55, mga ating score. 15 seconds on that shot clock, 7 minutes. Number 17, good pass. For number 2, pick up pass si Robertson. Another good pass. Ang ganda ng play. In and out offense sa pinapakita ng Marvin dito. Multiple threats, no? Outside and inside. Santiago, strip of the ball. Marvin. That time, medyo depressed. Try to repeat. Number 2, veteran move. Over. Number 70, 70. Oh! Pedro, greatly timed by Emilio there. And ang ating shot clock ay nasa 17. Baseline out of bounds tayo. Inbound pala, sorry. Baseline inbound. Number 5, Santiago. Ayan. Back, man to man pa rin ang depensa ng Marvin here. Laya, counter, good anticipation from Acera. Santiago to Laya, Laya penetrates, another good pass. Short nga lang, sayang. Robertson, sabi slow down muna tayo, maganda yung half-court offense. Robertson to number 17, has been the point so far. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Asombrado, Bueno. There's a foul again. Time out, Bonnerhood. Both teams, wala na ba time out for this quarter? 7. So far, maganda yung half-court offense ng Marvin. Going in, going out, moving the ball, no, side to side. Lahat ng gaps, may player sila. Elbow area, number spot. While Bollywood naman, they're trying to run, no? Run and gun na pinapakita. Alright, back to the ball game. Yeah, so 2 free throws for Asombrado. First miss, I believe, no, sa free throw line ni Asombrado. So far, it's been perfect to that free throw. Let's see. Pangalawa. 1 on 2 for Asombrado. Score natin is 58-38 in favor of Marvin. Ganda yung pinapakita ng Marvin, both offense and defense. Ayan, maganda yung execution ng Bollywood here. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. Santiago, no good. Too strong. And there's a foul. Foul on number 17. Yeah. 17 with the first personal foul, third team foul. 2 free throws tayo for Santiago. 58-38 tayo so far for Marvin. Let's see. Mababa ni Santiago yung laban. First one is yeah, let's see. Convert ni Santiago is second free throw. Second free throw is... Oh, Berta! And there's a foul counted. Hasn't played from Santiago. It's been a spark so far for Bollywood. Then foul now, number 6 from Killian. Third team foul na po for Marvin. Bonus free throw for Santiago. Let's see. Makakonvert niya. Free throw is... 3 misses for Santiago. Asombrado, familiar move. Good job for Asombrado. Patented good yun. Yung buhat. Ang tawag nila, high pick-up pala sa high pick-up. 15 seconds in the shot clock. Quabo power move again. This time no good. 17 with the rebound. Asombrado, Bueno. Set na muna since we're in the seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ronquillo wide open. Too strong. Rebound ni 7-7 to 5-5. Good finish for number 5. 60-42. Favor of Marvin. 4 minutes, 10 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 2, yun, piso-piso for number 2. Easy mid-range J. 4 minutes on the game clock. 77, Sean, substitution. Ayan. 42-62. Marvin. Let's see yung half-court offense ng Marvin dito. Naka-spread ulit sila, spread offense. Zero. And 12 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. Roquillo, hard drive, straight. 5 seconds to shoot. Robertson, wide right. Substitution tayo, ref. 3 minutes, 30 seconds tayo. 62-42, Marvin. Yeah. Substitution, another sub tayo. Okay. Okay, 62-42. In favor of Marvin. Let's see kung ano yung counter ni Bolero dito. Santiago, naka-overload sila. No-hit steal by 17. Diaz serving the floor. Good pass to Romero. Diaz, another good play. Oh, service to from 72. Here comes Bolero. Number 77. Oh! Ganda ng pasading niya doon. Foul on number 81. Penalty na, Marvin. Deceleration move. And then, throws tayo for number 77. Parang luka. Yung deceleration move niya doon sa may shoulder. Crafty move. Let's see, masishoot niya yung last free throw. Short free throw ni Acera. Diaz bringing down the ball here. Pass to number 17. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Cross court. Good rotation. Open na naman si Robertson. Good fake. Ang ganda ng pasahan talaga. Kung Marvin. In and out offense. Grabe yung ball movement. 64-42. Malabas ang experience nila dito. 2 minutes 20. 64-42 tayo. Marvin. Let's see if may adjustment ang ball route dito sa in and out offense ng Marvin. Ang ganda na naman ng ball movement. Diaz with the fake. Ang ganda ng drop. Pasok yan for Robertson. Grabe yung ball movement ko ngayon. Marvin dito. Lahat nakakahawak ng bola. 66-42. 2 minutes for third quarter. And there's a speed. Grabe yung asset ni Bam. Let's see. Good pass to Diaz. Sorry, miss. Pero good back yan. I believe. Bam Ramos yun. 68-42. Adding score. 77. Another steal. Another steal tayo. 1 minute 35 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Good pass again. Diaz open 3. Short. Ramos power move. And the basket. Substitution tayo. 70-42. Grabe yung hustle play plus the leader. Santiago, that's foul. Penalty. Substitution pala. Another wave. Substitution, sorry. Alright. Bonus free throw runners. And then, buha niya pa rin. Take the ball here. And good! 23-43. Let's see kung yun ang magiging spark for Bolero. Although 70-45, medyo malayo ang hinahabol. Bolero throw. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Familiar spread offense to Marvin. Pineda, Diaz, hesitates. Good pass again, wide open. Sorry, miss. Pero good shot, regardless. Ito na yung Bolero trying to push the ball that has been their bread and water. Water rebound, 77. Yeah. 70-47 time so far. 35 seconds to on our third quarter. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Diaz. No call. And then, what a shot by Flores. 20 seconds na lamang po ang nilalabit eh. 72-47. 15 seconds. 10 seconds on the knees. Outside. 5 seconds. Stop that. 4 seconds. 4.43 seconds. 72-47 po tayo. Laya, good pass again. No conversion. And that ends our third quarter. 72-49 in favor of Marvin. Let's see if ano yung magiging. Tignan natin kung ano yung magiging resulta nito ng adjustment. Santiago open for 3. Too strong. Rebound Diaz. Diaz running now the point. Ito yung familiar spread offense ng idea. Nag-work sila. Diaz, pull up 3. Short. Serving with the rebound. Diaz, good na ng ball movement ulit. Pineda for 3. Grabe yung ikot talaga. Ang bola sa Marvin side to. Yi for 3, short lamang. Sabi ni Diaz, slow it down, slow it down. Let's run our offense. Diaz getting the pick from Bam. Pineda with a hard drive sa baseline floater. Short. I believe we got hit as well. 77, waiting, paso. Sa 75-51 in favor of Marvin. Okay, Diaz handling the ball. Yan. Ano sila, Horns naman, ang kanilang coverage, 10 seconds. Down to a fist. Good goal. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. And there's a foul, I believe. Overcommits, it's a really with the foul. Bawal lang po sa likod ng ano. 23, Bueno, good day for 23. 75-53 po tayo. Martin. Right. Forty seconds on our shot clock here. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Time out, Marvin. Ayan, 75-53 ang ating score. Marvin po ang may naman. So far, speaking on
Timeout pa, tapak na na eh.
run and gun offense. While Mark naman, also, kumbaga, they're experimenting now with new sets, mga horns.
Marvin ba tumawag?
May mga
Marvin
variation ng offense.
Marvin nag-timeout.
Let's see. 7 minutes 50 seconds remaining. Ayan. Let's see, babalik sa tao-tao ang Marvin dito or they will be sticking. Ayan. They made the adjustment na. While Bollywood is staying with the small ball lineup. Laya. Santiago. Di ginamit ang screen. And there's a basket comes by that. Number 9 with the reach in. Okay. Bonus free throw for Santiago. Bumaba ang kalamangan to 20 na lamang. No? 7 minutes, 38 seconds na nalalabit. Bonus free throw for Santiago here. Okay, na-convert ni Santiago. Down to 19 na lang po ang lamang ng Marvin, 75-56. Although 7 minutes, 30 seconds na lang po ang natin na. Diaz, using yung high pick ulit. Let's see kung paano play. Good pass, Pineda wide open. Too strong. Oh, there's a ball. Laya. Diaz using his power move. No good. In and out for Santiago. 7 minutes. Ayan. Weak offense naman po. Wow, the offense Diaz for 3. Sorry, miss, in and out. 77 pushing the ball, here comes Laya. Oh, what a contest! Good contest from Ramos. And then a steal, another hustle effort naman from Santiago so far. And then, may the back. Let's see what a move of Ay, sayang. Hindi na nakakonvert. Ayan. What a sequence there, no? Ganda yung sequence natin, so hindi na nakakonvert. Coronado, good pass. Wide left. Substitution. Sayang. Wide open pa man din. Wide left yung pass. Ayan, nagkaroon ng shuffle ng Marvin. I believe this will be the finishing unit ng Marvin. No? While Bolovic is also... Alright, Santiago here handling the ball to Sir Oscar. 10 seconds si Oscar for 3. Good! Donardo for 3. Ayan, nagkakaminira ng ating Hollywood Trolley. Ano kaya ang counter naman ng Marvin dito? Let's see if they're going back sa spread offense. Effective. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Open the net. Asobrado. Short. Santiago pushing the pace again. Pero ganda yung abang ng Marvin dito. 15 seconds on the shot clock. And then a steal. Asobrado. Cross court. Oh! Tumama sa ulit. Wow. Substitution. Substitution tayo. Substitution. And the adjustment in Bollywood, they're bringing back their big man. Same with Marvin, they're also going big man. 15 seconds on the Robertson Familiar floater. In and out. Number 14, sa clock reset tayo. 10 seconds. Asobrado. Ball fake. Good sa... Oh, what a pass! Oh, malakas lang. Reset ulit sa 14. 10 seconds. Good pick. Ang ganda ng play. Scoop player from Romeo. What a execution goal. Patient offense plus yung ganda ng mga ball stream. 77-59. Lamado ang Marvin. Sir Oscar for 3 short. Tumatakbo rito ang Marvin. Pero very technical yung pagtakbo nila here. Yan. Another diversion. 79-59. In favor of Marvin. Ganda yung pass directly nila doon. Steady pace. Number 5, let's see. Power move ulit. Power move! And there's a foul. Foul ng number 6 from Ilio. Substitution. First team foul and fourth personal foul na pala ni Ronquillo. But first team foul pa lamang for Marvin. Yes, I believe, no? Let's see if... Isa pang free throw si number 5, Quado. Let's see if he can convert. Here's the free throw. Yun, substitution ref. 60-79 po ang ating score. We have still 4 minutes, 24 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Miss. Alright. Ayun, mayroon. Ang ganda ng ikot na naman ng Marvin dito. They have a floppy action naman. Here's, oh, good block from Santiago. Shot clock is at 9 seconds. Robertson na iwanan. 5 seconds to shoot. And there's a foul from number 6. Babalik sa 40 seconds. Ang ating shot clock. Ronquillo, Robertson, wide open. Another wide. And there's a hesitation. Sayang. Hindi na convert. Pasa pa siya. Although maganda pa rin naman ang ball movement ng Marvin. Let's see kung makaka-counter ang ball movement dito. Santiago. 77 with the bird. Nabitawan yung bola. Good defense. Laya. Good defense. by Diaz. But I believe 5 seconds to shoot. What's the call, ref? Baseline, out of bounds. Santiago trying to sneak in. Asombrado. Robertson here. Asombrado. Sorry, miss from Asombrado. Here comes Squabo. May advantage sila and let go na lang. Let go ni Diaz. Let's see if may last push ang ball really. They play good defense now. They play good defense now. 62-79, Marville. From the shot clock. Ayan. Robertson with the ball, 10 seconds. Rogelio, what a goal! Sayang. Here comes 77, and then he lost the ball. Robertson, oh! Sorry, miss from Robertson. Here comes 23, and there's a foul by number 2, Judy foul from number 2. Second team foul pa lamang po ng Marvin. But isipin na ako shooting daw po dito. Cup shooting, Laya, first free-throw, no good. I believe he preferred the left side when he's doing a free-throw. Shooting from the left side, elbow area. No good. Continue with the ball. 2 minutes 30 na lang. Now they're going with the trap. They're gambling now. They're going good. With the trap now. 10 seconds to shoot. Wide open si Diaz. Pull up Jay. Too strong. Dito mama sa rim. 5 seconds to shoot. Asombrado patented step back. Short. Rebound 77 and then a steal. And counter steal from Santiago. And my numbers po, easy 2 for Wolverines. 79-64. 1 minute 55 seconds na lamang po. Let's see kung ano yung pagkatrap na ba ang Marlon Hill. And then physical defense from Laya. Good defense so far. And the veteran move by Asombrado. And there's a ball. Number 5, blocking foul. Substitution. Let's see. Good effort there from the young one. Showing heart. And still competing. Go. 77. Oh, sorry, miss. For 77. And then a putback. No good. Bravo. Good block. Grabe yung block na Rogelio doon. Grabe yung block. Wow! And then, sorry now. Sorry. 1 minute 10 seconds na yung apology siya na ito. Oh! Stupid layup from Sir Vicky. Parang mag-modified style. Ang ginawa na Sir Vicky doon. Santiago, yun, nakashoot siya ng 3 points. 81-67. And may pressure pa po yung ating, so far, let go yung pressure. 50 seconds remaining. Mukhang mag-co-motion na lamang po rito ng both teams. Paalala lang, important pa rin yung quotient, so conversion, it matters here. Kung kaya ko convert, unfortunately,
Pasok.
hindi na kami. May conversion pa rin, since every point will matter po dito. Since may quotient tayo, hindi natin kaya. Every quotient matter. Santiago, pull up. No good. 6, no good pa rin. And I believe they have to push since may quotient po. Importante yung quotient, may wala lang yung team. Asombrado for 2. Baka mag-matter yan down the line. They have to convert, guys. They have to convert. And I believe hindi na they have to convert still. Laya for 2. 4 seconds remaining. They have to convert foul. Quotient system. Okay. Third game, 83-69. So, quotient monitoring tayo.